Hello guys, Switch here, another app, another dollar, hopefully. At some point, not right now, but definitely this year we are going to get something from some app, not from this one, so from another one, whatever, but definitely I'm in the journey to testing all of them. So yeah, this is one of the apps which we need to pay something. I don't really remember how much I paid, but it's not really significant amount to be able to run this all the time. So yeah, you're just paying some amount of stars, low amount of stars, and then you are able to basically press the start mining, and that's going to mine for you some tokens, and then basically those tokens we are be able to change into or receive the airdrop. That's the thing. I'm just going to go through tabs and read, so I will understand and you will understand, because I read but I forget already. Okay, so we have the mining tab right now. It's mining basically. Then we have the services. We can increase the max energy, but obviously for people who have lots of money or some kind of money, well, it's not really that much. It's like 200 stars, so it's not really that much. We have turbo mode. We have overclock, boosting mining power 400%, and then we have 600% mining. Your device mining power will operate near its maximum potential. Ensure the proper cooling system is in place before using this mode. So I guess this is not really good for tablets or phone. I guess that's going to be good for desktop, good desktop computer. So that's tab with services. So we can actually boost our mining. I don't really want to boost anything. I just basically want to run this for a year and see what we can possibly get from it. Mining pools we have. Okay. Want to maximize your mining efficiency and earn even greater rewards? Join the mining pool or create your own. By teaming up with the other miners, you can increase your chance of success and boost your profits. To create a pool, you must either have 1 million tokens in your account, pay a fee in stars or tone, or invite 100 friends who have started mining. So the numbers of holders. Okay, important, join a pool does not allow you to mine tokens in background mode. The 45% reward from a block found by a pool participant is distributed only among active miners at the time the block is discovered. That's cool, because I'm actually running this on laptop, so I'm never like running this in the background. I just want to check. There is somewhere first income, hashes, status, rewards. My reward so far is 2,500 tokens. Mining pools, leaderboards, tasks. Yeah, we have some tasks we can complete to get those 2,000 energy. This is like permanent energy. Connect your wallet to claim your tokens once mining is finished. Okay, so first thing first, I need to connect the wallet, because as you can see, it's not connected. But I think I started this sort of app like 2 days ago or something like that. Mining process, okay. Time your tokens. Then we still need to do the tone transactions. I won't be able to actually climb anything, because I guess it's going to be like half to 1 tone needed. Okay, so yeah, but either way, okay, my balance. I mean, in fact, I'm not able to do this right now, but either way, I see the point of running lots of apps, and even with just small values or small benefits, because at the end of the day, like I said, I'm trying to run 50, 60, 70, 80 apps. So that doesn't mean there's going to be like small profit from it, because at the end of the day, it's going to be a profit. And then I can figure it out the app which I can allocate all those, assets. And I will have like, let's say, one main miner, which I will just learn about that miner and genuinely understand the way like how we can leverage or benefit. Like I think there's a that green miner. It's a green. I think it's called the green miner, or I forget the name, but it's on the channel already. So that's the miner where you can basically buy so many upgrades, like unlimited upgrades. So you can reach the point where you're actually mining fuckloads of that currency, but they don't really swapping into any cryptocurrency yet. But it's still in the development stage, so that's why. So yeah, that's pretty much about this from me, just simply because I don't have any assets to upgrade. But we can actually read this through. So we are going to understand a little bit more. Earn tokens by mining. Just click start mining and wait until you receive tokens. If you are a beginner, we advise you to concentrate on mining and only then study the technical part. Okay, so we have tasks. The task is to find the correct hash for the current block and get a reward for it. 28% of the block reward is for the miner who discovered the correct hash and 70% share among other participants. Attend every 100,000 blocks to reward for the miner will be adjusted. Like, I don't think so. I want to read all this through because at the end of the day, if you really want to dive into that miner, you will read that just for yourself. So you have principles, dynamic difficulty, limited token nodes, mining pools. I mean, definitely I will read this by myself. I didn't read this at all, to be honest with you, but I will. And not really like super diving into that, just simply because, like I said, I don't have any like assets to unlock in that stuff. And for that sort of free version of me, what I'm using right now is like, that's what I said. This is like a good explanation. Where was that? What here? That's to find correct hash. In tokens, well, that's the first one, right? Just click the start and wait until you receive tokens. If you're a beginner, we advise you to concentrate on mining and only then study the technical part. Okay, so we're not gonna study technical part, fuck it. Although I know for sure it's like if you're not gonna invest into that, you're not really going to earn much from it. But at the end of the day, even if I'll be able to grab 1 ton per month, that's still huge. Just simply because, like I said, I will allocate this to unlock different apps, and lots of apps are around half ton to unlock to have airdrops, and lots of apps have seasonal airdrops. So what I'm trying to say, I don't have any exchange, and I don't even be able, I'm not going to be able to do even any exchange because I'm living in UK and it's Telegram wallets have restrictions in UK. So I sort of need to try to basically play around those restrictions, and then obviously if I be able to gather some assets, I will just use those assets to the different games, different apps, and we'll see. Maybe if we are able to run 100 or 200 apps on daily basis, then probably we will have some profit from it. But other than that, I'm just having fun. So that's like my major factor, like main objective, to just having a fun and to learning along the way about basically the that stone ecosystem and apps involved in that ecosystem and Telegram basically. So yeah, it's like definitely like having fun to on daily basis to search for new apps and trying to make as many apps to possibly run on one desktop or sort of one ecosystem. So we'll see about that. So I think that's it for now about the star hash. So basically, yes, we need to pay a little bit, something on the beginning. I don't know, it's 100 stars or 200 stars, and then you can mine. And then obviously those rewards we are going to be able to climb, and it's going to be like super small amount, but just simply because if you wanna upgrade your miner, then you'll be able to mine more. Simple as that. So you have lots of stuff here to do, to upgrade. There is some tasks which I'm going to do in a minute after this video. And just last thing but not least, just a few words about the TOYGERS. So first thing first, thank you very much guys for using my referral. So there's 10 people on the board right now. I'm super excited about this. Another thing I'm super excited about this is I'm almost unlocked the toy builder, which toy builder will grant you and me and everybody who is going to unlock the toy builder 10,000 points per day just for doing basically nothing. And those points you are stuck in here. You see, I have more than 5 million, and those points you are going to use for two things. First thing, you'll be able to buy stuff like hats, hoodies, jewelry, gloves, candles, and robots, toys, and much more. It's going to be like basically TOYGERS Amazon. That's going to be, this app is going to be like Amazon. Another thing number two, those points you will be able to utilize in the game, in the future game. So they're developing right now the game. Nobody knows what game is it, but apparently it's going to be combine the real world with the TOYGERS world. So that's it about the game. That's it about the toy builder. Also, I'm excited because I genuinely want to build my own toy and promote that toy, and hopefully, well, I will buy and somebody will buy. That'll be like super exciting to actually have own brand logo toy. So that's what I'm looking forward to. Obviously, I will let you know much more when it's going to be unlocked, which is 3 days from now. So stay tuned for this one. And yeah, pretty much that's it. So thank you much, guys, for watching. See you guys in the next video. Tomorrow I think I will do some games, so I'm trying to put one miner, one game, although at the end of the month I will put everything what I have, and I probably will start the loop again with the same apps I'm using. So that's the idea. But also, with that being said, I'm still I think for the next couple of months I will be still on the journey to discovering the apps, because it's not really that easy to find like cool apps. I don't really want to run random apps. I just want to actually run the apps which I generally feel like it. Okie dokie. So thank you very much, guys. See you tomorrow for another video. I don't know what's going to be, but we will find out together. Take care and bye for now.